Kerchans Trading Private Limited Company, the largest producer and exporter of coffee in Ethiopia, has been eyeing the huge Chinese market.
From year to year, the volume and the quality and the education of coffee in Asia is very dramatically changing, especially in China. Started 3-4 years ago exporting to China. China was a tea marketplace, not a coffee marketplace, but now it's changing. The cultural shift are bringing a lot of opportunity for the coffee producing countries like us.
According to the Ethiopian Coffee and Tea Authority, China was among the top 10 buyers of Ethiopian coffee in July and August. Predicting that China will become one of the top 5 Ethiopian coffee importing countries within the next 5 years, the company is working to introduce its coffee products to as many Chinese customers as possible, including through attending the upcoming China International Import Expo.
We have our agent in China. They will attend in the expo and they will represent us there and they will show Ethiopian coffee on behalf of us there. In those platforms, it's very helpful and will create a relationship with the buyers, with the roasters.
The 4th China International Import Expo is scheduled for November 5th to 10th in Shanghai. The event provides a platform for companies around the world to display their products, promote their brands and find more business partners in the world's second largest economy.